Tesla, the boy who lit up the world. This is the Independent Autistic, and today I want to tell you about Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla once said, "The present is theirs, but the future for which I work is really mine." Tesla was a man far ahead of his time. He could imagine machines in his head before building them. Some scientists believe he may have shown signs of autism, like intense focus, love of routines, and avoiding social situations. His amazing inventions helped create the modern world, but his life was also full of challenges. Tesla was born in 1856 in what is now Croatia. As a child, he loved reading, solving math problems, and being alone. Loud noises and bright lights bothered him. He could picture entire machines in his mind and run them like a movie. This special ability helped him invent, even without drawing a design. Between the ages of 20 and 25, Tesla studied engineering in Austria and then worked in Hungary. He had trouble with school when his father pressured him to become a priest. After his father died, Tesla focused fully on engineering. He worked at a telegraph company and had his first ideas about magnetic rotating fields, which later led to the invention of alternating current electricity. Tesla faced many struggles. People did not always believe in his ideas. He moved to the United States in 1884 and briefly worked with Thomas Edison, but the two had different ideas about electricity. Edison favored direct current, while Tesla favored alternating current because it was better to send electricity over long distances. They became rivals. To solve problems, Tesla relied on his imagination. He didn't guess, he visualized how things worked in his mind. In 1888, he got support from George Westinghouse, who helped him build an AC power system. They together lit up the Chicago Fair in 1893, proving that AC electric was safe and powerful. Tesla's successes included 300 patents, the invention of the Tesla coil, and ideas that directly led to the radio, X-rays, and wireless power. He loved fantasy and science fiction, often dreaming of energy that could be sent through the air. Although Tesla died poor in 1943, his ideas power our homes, phones, cities, and everything today. His intense focus, love of routines, and unique thinking helped him change the world. Even in solitude, Tesla lit up the future for all of us. This is the Independent Autistic reminding you that, like Tesla, you were born different to make a difference. Go be your difference today. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.